Hey, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm the leader of the official opposition, NDP.
Do you work in this area?
I do actually. I work right in this building.
Is it possible to get a tour of your office?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
All right, let's go.
Come on in. So actually, this is the chamber. This is where I stand in there and ask the Premier of the province, Doug Ford, questions every day. Unfortunately, it's closed today, so we can't go in, and I can't really show you inside right now.
Where is the government now, Marit?
Well, actually, we should have been sitting today, but they closed down the legislature early for the holidays because there was this really damning Auditor General's report, so they couldn't get out of here fast enough.
Wait a minute, where are you taking me?
Come on, I want to show you this.
Okay.
So when I'm elected Premier in 2026, I'll only be the second woman ever elected Premier in Ontario. And around here, there's photographs and portraits of women who've made an impact here in the Ontario Legislature, everybody from like attorney generals, ministers, opposition leaders. This has been a significant victory to have so many women elected, but we've got a lot more work to do. Hi, I'm good.
You look great.
Thank you. I'm just showing people around Queen's Park. Yeah.
One of those videos which I love.
You got it. So this is the media studio. This is where we hold press conferences, we respond to government ideas, but mostly we're putting forward our own ideas for how we can solve things for Ontarians. Oh, hey, Norton DePasquale.
Great to see you. Pleasure.
Ontario Place for All. Hey,
Marit.
Chris Club, nice to see you. MPP for Spadina, Fort York. So were you guys just holding a press conference?
We just had a press conference, based on the Auditor General's damning report on the Ontario Place and Science Centre, just calling to end the backroom deals and keep Ontario Place public.
Right on. Well, nice to see you. Yeah, great to see you. Yeah.
So Marit, you're holding this government to account, you're proposing these fresh policy solutions. How do you even find time to eat?
Well, it's not easy, but they just revamped the whole cafeteria here, which is great. And they have these build your own bowls, which are amazing.
Is that ice cream?
That is ice cream, and they got to get that out of here.
So Marit, you've shown us all around the Pink Palace, but where's the mothership where you combat this corrupt government?
Well, actually, as it happens, we're almost there. This is my office, and this is where a lot of our big strategic meetings and stuff take place. So yeah, come on in. This is a painting from my riding, Davenport. And then this is the office of the leader of the official opposition in Ontario, and Doug Ford, he's right below me here. This is an official Brampton Wolves cricket jersey, which was given to me by Brampton folks. And look, got my name on the back. This is a tie that belonged to Tommy Douglas. Tommy Douglas was the NDP Premier from Saskatchewan. He was federal NDP leader and most importantly, the founder of Canadian Medicare, one of my heroes.
Well, you seem to have a really cool job, Marit. Thanks for showing me around today.
Oh, well, thanks for coming, and we'll see you again soon.